This is our last example of a representation of a unit fraction. Represent the unit fractions using the discrete objects. The unit is all of the triangles in the rectangle. So discrete spelled in this way, C-R-E-T-E instead of E-E-T, means separate or discontinuous. So notice that these are all separate objects and we can count them. Here there's a total of 12. Okay, but notice also that it says the unit is all of the triangles in the rectangle. So this 12 represents 1, and each one would be 1 out of 12. Okay, so this reminds me of the operator model, the exchange model. We are going to find a way to represent a quarter by breaking these first into groups of size 4. Okay, and then we're going to take one of each. So I'm noticing if I go across the rows, each row has 4. So here's 4, here's 4, and here's 4. So if I want 1 out of 4, this would be 1 out of this 4, 1 out of this 4, and 1 out of this 4. So 1/4 of the triangles would be the 3 I shaded. Okay, so this is 1/4, and I know that seems really funny because it's 3 triangles, but if we're thinking of this as our unit, this is equal to 1/4 of our unit. Okay, let's look at the next one. We want to represent 1/6 of the triangles. So we're going to use a similar idea, but now we want 1 out of every 6. So I'm going to group them into 6s, and I notice that there are 2 groups of 6. And now for each group of 6, I want 1 out of the 6. So 1/6 of these triangles, which is our unit, is going to be 2 triangles.